Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Temu app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on your down here. When you click here on your, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just come here to customers activity here, click on edit. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here in this sign, like you see this color show for us, that's mean customers activity enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.